Hi guys, Chef Josh here with Coyote Sushi Catering. Tonight I will be showing you albacore sashimi. Let's get it. We'll be serving our albacore sashimi with a chipotle reduction. So before we get started with this seared albacore loin, which I have here for you, I will go ahead and show you how to make the sauce first. Turn your frying pan on high or your saucepan, whichever one you're using. And I will go ahead and grab some orange juice. I'll toss that in here. We'll use about a quarter cup or half cup in this case. Once it starts to bubble, I'll go ahead and reduce it down. And then I'll add my chili paste into it, and then we'll reduce it and add cold butter to it and thicken it up. That's pretty much it. It's quite simple. So as you can see, this is starting to bubble. And you can see right here, it's starting to form small bubbles on it. Now it's starting to reduce, so we'll let that sit there for a second. You do not need to add any extra sugar to it because the orange juice itself already has a lot of sugar to it. We're going to reduce it down to half, and then we'll add the chipotle pepper to it, or the chipotle paste. You can use any kind of chili paste if you want. Some people use gochujang, which is your Korean chili paste. You can use that as well. 2, 1. Okay, folks, so now that I have my orange juice reduced down to about 50%, as you can see, I'm still scraping the edges off so it doesn't just stick and burn. Let's add our chili paste to this. So tonight I will be using, I'm just using the chipotle. You can use any flavor of chilies. I'll go ahead and use this a tiny bit. We're not really doing it for a whole lot of folks here. One serving. The best part about this is you can always add more orange juice to it as well if you want to thin it out, if it's too thick for you. I will set this one aside here. I'll show you this right here, the reduction. Okay. So my sauce is reaching about the right consistency that I want. And so what I'll do is I'll turn off the heat now. Okay. Pick out our loin. So for this evening, I'll be using like a half a loin here. Put this one away. This is like the belly side. Sometimes it tends to get a little too tough. So I'll just go ahead and separate that. Set this aside. Trim off the top. Okay. There it is. As our sauce is reducing. Okay. Go ahead and season it. You don't have to be too gentle with it. My seasoning already has salt, so I will not be salting this. Oops. But I will go ahead and put some oil on it. You can use canola oil, olive oil, peanut oil, whichever oil you prefer. Anything that is healthy to you. My personal preference, use olive oil. It tends to have a little bit of a higher smoke point, but that's okay. It's healthier. Okay, I'll throw my seasoning on this. As you can see, I'm not being too gentle with it either. Make sure this is coated nice. both ends. Okay, we let that sit. I change my glove. Okay, so now that my sauce has reduced, I'll turn the heat off. Okay, I'll take about 2 tablespoons of cold butter. So what this will do is it'll thicken up the sauce. It'll add a nice shine to it as well, make it more glossy, more like a glaze. Okay, make sure everything is off of it. Okay, go ahead and toss that in there, like that. And remember, keep the heat off. Otherwise, if it's too hot, your sauce will split. It'll separate the protein from the butter, fat protein. You don't want that. You want a nice smooth sauce. We have the sauce done. Our next step is getting our albacore loin prepared. So we'll go ahead and turn our heat on, the frying pan here. And as soon as it starts feeling the heat, gets warm, we'll put some oil in there and then we'll sear it. Okay, so while we wait for our frying pan to warm up, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and make a small side salad for the albacore sashimi that we're about to do. We'll go ahead and start off with, let's see, just a tiny bit of onion. So let's cut out like a quarter. Set this guy aside. Okay. Peel the skin off. Okay, and I'll just go ahead. Thinly sliced onion. Finely. That should be more than enough. Yeah. I'll go ahead and open it up. And next, and I have a spring mix here that I'll be using. It's a mix of leaf lettuce, spinach, and some other baby greens. Set that aside. Go ahead and use a little bit of soy sauce, just a tiny bit, not too much. A tiny bit of sesame oil, some sesame seeds, and the onion that we thinly sliced. Toss that in there. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and gently toss that. Kind of turn it. Make sure everything is lightly coated. Okay. I'm going to turn this to a medium high. Turn my frying pan to medium high. As my frying pan is starting to smoke, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And as you can see, poured oil in a hot frying pan. You can see the bubbling in the oil here slightly. I'll go ahead and, by the way, my fish is at room temperature. I tempered it before I'm putting the protein in the hot skillet here. Mainly because I want my fish to cook evenly on each side for about 10 to 15 seconds. If you throw it cold in the pan with any kind of protein, whether it's beef, pork, chicken, or fish, it won't cook evenly. So you want to cook your protein at a room temperature. It's called tempering. So we will flip the side. It's been about 15 seconds. And as you can see, we have a nice sear on this side. I'll try to get the same sear on the other side as well. about 15 seconds each side. And the salad that we made, we'll go ahead and plate that as well here on the side. Like that. Okay. Time to flip. And our reductions here as well. And right around now, I'll turn my stove off and we'll let the protein cook from the heat of the frying pan here. Okay. Protein is cooked nice, has a nice sear. We'll let that sit for a few seconds here, a few minutes. So it's been a couple of minutes now with our albacore loin. It's been nicely seared. As you can see, I did about 10 to 15 seconds each side. I'll go ahead and pull this out, lay it flat on the belly, and we'll go ahead and start slicing it. You don't have to be too, you can be generous with it. You don't have to be too stingy with this. You can make nice thick slices with this. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Set that on the side. Set that aside. I'll go ahead and lay this one open. Kind of fan it out. Look at the beautiful, nice juice, nice fat in the fish. Yeah. Put that there. Yeah. Wipe this off, hands off, and then we'll use our sauce from earlier. We'll go ahead and pour that over. The chipotle reduction that we made. Okay. And with this, we really don't need a whole lot. Just a light sprinkle of sesame seeds. And that is it, folks. With a side salad done at home. You guys have any questions about recipes or how it's done, please feel free to reach out, leave a comment, subscribe and follow us as well. All the details for all the product is also listed down below in the link. We'll see you next time.